Welcome to Government Modern High Secondary School. This is A. Abhirami. USA Consulate General, China in association with the Indian Institution of Technology means United State Education Foundation and USA based regulation about required in workshop or education institution in South Indian to promote the region as a foreign studied decision for USA students. Define Minister Rajnath Singh on Thursday, integrated and paid exchange at the memorable in Ladakh for the troops of the 13th Regiment that defeated China's People Liberation Army in the 1962 war. Amid incident in Andhra Pradesh, the temple troops of Tirupati has come to a standstill as Indian Meteorological Department issued an alert of very heavy, extremely heavy rainfall over Tamil Nadu, Puducherry, Karaikal and South Coastal Andhra Pradesh for 2 days starting from November 18. Prime Minister Narendra Modi, Lok Sabha Speaker Om Birla and them top leaders on Friday, November 19 paid to Indian freedom fighter the Queen of Jhansi Rani Lakshmi Bai to commemorate her birth anniversary as the Maharashtra State Road Transport Corporation works still entered its 22nd day seeking merger with the state government so that staffer can benefit of government employees. The corporation on Thursday against a private agency to find a solution for its revival. Tamil Nadu government has a novel scheme under which will be provided with free emergency treatment for 48 hours at government and private hospital located on near the highways. Several scientists as well as activists have voiced their objection against the founder of Microsoft Bill Gates' nuclear power plant, believing that is not required as there have been more inexpensive and renewable energy alternative in writing the common dreams reported. Thank you all.